Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code Friends. Today we will discuss about the ReactJS component lifecycle. We will covering these all functions in component we will use to lifecycle component. So let's start. So in ReactJS, each component goes through a series of phases during the lifecycle. Understanding the component lifecycle is important to building effective and React application. The React application lifecycle can be divided into three main phases. First phase is mounting phase. Second, updating phase. And third one is unmounting phase. So first one is mounting phase. Second one is updating phase. And third one is unmounting phase. So mounting phase, this is the phase when new component is created and added to the DOM. During this phase, the component goes through the following methods. So first time when we create component constructor, this is the method called when the component is created. It is used to initialize state and bind event handler. And second one is static get derived state from prop function. This method is called before the renderer method and allow the component to update its state based on props. And third one is renderer. This method returns the JSX that will be displayed on the screen. And component did mount, what will do? This method is called after the component is mounted to the DOM. It is often used to make API calls or set up event listener. And second phase is updating phase. These are the functions for the initial state and mounting phase. These are the initial stage. Okay, so mounting phase is the initial state and the second one is updating phase. This phase is triggered when a component state or prop change. During the phase, the component goes through the following method. So first method is like we will know about initial state. So second is the updating phase. So updating phase, static get derived state from props. This function. This method is called again if the props change. Shift component update. This method allows the component to decide if it need to re-render or not. If return false, the component will be re-rendered. And third one is renderer function. This method returns the updated JSX that will be displayed on the screen. Component did update. This method is called after the component has been re-rendered. Component did update. This method is called after the component has been re-rendered. And the third phase is unmounting phase. So in the unmounting phase, the phase is triggered when a component is removed from the DOM during the phase. The component goes through the following method. First one is component will unmount. This method is used to call just before the component is removed from the DOM. It is often used to clean up any resources used by the component, such as event listener or trigger. Event listeners are timers. In addition to these methods, there are other lifecycle methods available React, such as should component update and get snap boot before update. By using these methods, you can control how your component behave during each phases of its life cycles. These are the life cycles of component life cycles in React. We will know about that. Thanks for watching my video. Joining discussion on my React component life cycle. We hope you found it informative and valuable. If you have any question or comment, please feel free to leave them in the message section below. We would love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget like, share and subscribe to our channel. That way you can stay up to date with our latest comment. Once again, thank you for watching. That you look forward seeing in your next video.